Notifications are useful, but sometimes you might want to focus and you don't want to be bothered by tons of notifications from different apps on your Chromebook device. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can disable annoying notifications from your Chromebook either temporarily or maybe permanently, depending on what is you are trying to do on your Chromebook. So the first thing that you need to do, or the first easy thing that you can do to disable notification, is by clicking on this clock icon. And after that, you can enable the do not disturb mode. When you do that, you won't see any more notification, and pretty much almost all notifications will be stopped. They're not going to be hidden. They're not going to be stopped. They're just hidden. So if you actually turn off the do not disturb mode, you can still see the notification right here. So I have 4 different notifications, and yeah, these are the things that I can see right now. But if I turn on the do not disturb mode, now there's no number. It's basically the notification is still there, still stored, but it's not going to be bothering me every single time. So that's one way to do that. But what if you want to just disable notifications from certain apps or website? Well, here's how. First, open the launcher menu, and sorry about that, and then you have to open the settings option. Okay, now let's navigate to apps, click notifications, and right now I just enabled do not disturb mode. I'm going to disable it for now, just to show you that you can manage the notification. And here you can either disable or enable notification on certain apps. So right now you can see that a lot of them are actually turned off. Only some of them are turned on, like Google Calendar, which is again important. But in my case, a lot of them are turned off, and this is where you can fine-tune which apps that allows notification and which apps that should not send notification, or the notifications from those apps should be hidden until you decided to open it. So yeah, I think it's basically it. That's how you can disable or stop notifications on your Chromebook device. I hope you found this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.